Our new black cabinet is all done. It has a second coat of paint. Sorry, my lens looks really dirty. Just let my finger go across it. So, honey will be taking the top off the other cabinet to put on top of there. But it's done. Woohoo! We did a fabulous job with it. The towel rack over here. The other one kept falling apart. And I've got a bit of my accent color up there. The first color I bought was too turquoisey. It was really a light turquoise. That I think actually really goes nicely with the stove. And I've got a lot of work to do on this back door. But I just had to put a little swatch up there. I think that'll look really cool to do this back door. And that color as well. And then it will go around the windows. So, he's got me painting again. My oh my.
Mercy sakes,
Mercy
just working
sakes.
that girl's fingers to the bones.
I don't remember where I left off in my videos, so I got a second coat of paint on this door, and honey actually found a doorknob and a bolt lock to fill up those holes. So they don't work, but all I said was, let's find something that would fill up these holes on the front of the door. So that's awesome. So there we go, the curtain's back up, and that looks so much better than the first color I got. So I'm pretty happy with that. I've got this side of the room with almost all one coat, except for down by the baseboard. I ran out of paint and I got all of that done. I did get 2 coats in that little corner there. I used a foam roller on the second coat and it went on really nicely. So I tried rolling the first coat on this press board, and I did a lot of it with a roller, but it was a lot of work. When I was finishing off the can of paint, like all down here basically I did with the brush, and I have found that the first coat, may as well just use the brush. Second coat, I'm going to be able to do the roller. So I am ready to get a second coat of paint on there. Oh, I got one coat of paint on that window. If I can get so it's not directly in the light. There we go. It looks so much better. That windowsill was pretty darn ugly. So that'll get a second coat of paint. And obviously I need to paint that door. I cannot leave it like that. So that's going to get a coat of paint as well. So I'm going to start down the baseboard and get that bottom part done. And then we'll start rolling on that second coat, and that wall will be done. Pretty awesome. I'm pretty happy about that. Yay! And the wall and the window are done. And one coat on the door. Around the door has 2 coats. Everything but the door. I just had to get some green paint on that. It was an ugly gray door. So now it looks pretty. Ooh-wee. Yeah, that looks nice. I like it. I like it.